Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. George and Milton took the trip from Virginia to New Jersey to get the audio upgraded on their road glides. They both came up together and had audio upgraded on both bikes together. They both opted to go for NBS Audio Stage 3 high powers. The only difference between the two bikes is we did the Cicada component with the Cicada horn in the grill, and on the other one we did the Dubiee Drive Moto with the standard grill. So one had more of the factory look and the other one had more of the aftermarket look. So one had more highs and the other one, the highs were a little more toned back. The installs came out good. They hung out for the weekend, stayed local hotel for a few days while we got the builds done. That way they only had to make the trip once, and came out really, really good. So both bikes got Dubiee bass knobs, both bikes got Sound Digital 1600.1 Evo X2s, both bikes got Hertz 200L 8-inch mid-bass drivers, both bikes got Sound Digital Evo X 800.4s, and both bikes got Hertz 690 Neo 6 mics. The only difference was the front stage. One got the Cicada CM with the Cicada 25mm horns, the other one got the Dubiee Drive Moto. Both bikes got Braille lithium batteries and all Stinger wiring HK mini DSPs. So check out both builds. The trip took right around 6 hours each way. They made a family trip out of it, and they both came up with their wives, so it was pretty cool. So we removed the boom audio amp. Now we're making room for our two Sound Digital. We're going to pull out the Moom Audio 5x7s and upgrade to Hertz 6x9s. This one came with the Rockford Fosgate kit. Client just wasn't happy with the performance, so we're going to go ahead and upgrade them. Harley Davidson, powered by Rockford. Speakers front and rear. And the Rockford 400. We're going to pull it out and do an NBS Audio Stage 3. So in the same amount of space, we're going to do two Sound Digital Evo X. So Rockford makes a good quality amplifier. This is the industry standard, but it just takes up too much space and it's only 400 watts. It's not going to do what we need. So we're pulling that out. I guess the installer was in a little bit of a rush, so he didn't strip the wire back enough, and see this mark is where the connector was pushing down on the wire instead of pushing down here. So as soon as we touched it, it actually fell out of the connector. We didn't even unscrew that yet. This bike came with a complete Rockford plug and play kit, so we're going to remove the entire thing and he's going to be able to resell it. We're not cutting any of the connectors. We're going to pull it out as one piece. That way he can get some of his money back or give it to a fellow club member and let them upgrade. They say I'm bugging the way I'm talking. I feel like tonight, yeah. Oh, honey, yeah. I feel like tonight, baby. Oh, I wanna hold you. I just need to tight. I wanna make love, doing it all night. I feel like
day the sun comes up around her, she can make the birds sing harmony. Every drop of rain is glad it found her. Heaven must have made her just for me. When she smiles so warm and tender, a sight for sore eyes to see. Ooh, ain't no woman like the one I found. Oh, no, baby, don't come better. Make her happy, let's take her life. You know that's the thing nobody brings us all together like a hand in glove, like pages in a letter. Ain't no woman like the one I love. She can fill me up when it's time I'm going. Put a little music in my day. Wouldn't be surprised if my love keeps growing. Bigger every minute that she stays away. I would kiss the ground she walks on, 'cause it's my word she'll obey. Ain't no woman like the one I got. Well, I kiss the ground she walks on, to make her happy doesn't take a lot. She's a real good friend like Dubiee, and it's so together like a hand in glove. When she's gone, people ain't no. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's Friday night and the weekend's just beginning. Going up to my favorite place and we're gonna be chilling. All of my friends gonna meet me there. We gonna party like we just don't care. Got my favorite drink and everybody sipping. Fine honey's up in here and ain't nobody tripping. Got Keisha on deck and she's long overdue. Come on, let's hit the floor and do what we came to do. Let's get it started. Let's start it, started. Let's get this started. One look in your eyes, and there I see just what you mean to me. Here in my heart, I believe your love is all I'll ever need. Holding you close through the night, I need you. I look in your eyes, and there I see what happiness really means. The love that we share makes life so sweet. Together we'll always be. This spark of love feels so right, and ooh, I need you. Here and now, I promise to love faithfully. You're all I need. Here and now, I vow to. that when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me.
There was a time when I didn't have no one, didn't have no love. Do you remember the love that we once had? Well, if I had the chance to love you again, I would make your heart forget I was ever there. If we forget the past, I know this time love will last forever, for always. For love, ooh, yeah. I love you, honey, I love you, I do, more than you ever know. It's for sure, you can always count on my love forevermore. I need you, I need you.
Alright. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight, the night I let you know. Baby, tonight, the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that
Josh Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. George and Milton took the trip up from Virginia to get the audio upgrade on their road glides. Are you guys completely happy with the sound?
Excellent job done.
Thank you, gentlemen. Have a safe trip home.